everybody, welcome to this episode. In this coming episode, I'm going to be going over smile evaluation. What is it and why should you ask your dentist for a smile evaluation? So like always, I'm not a dentist. I just have many years of experience in the dental field. Now, smile evaluation. Now, what is a smile evaluation? It is entirely different than a regular exam from a dentist. Smile evaluation is more of a cosmetic type deal, so everyone can get it. And what it works on specifically is normally the social 6 on the social 6 on the top and the social 6 in the bottom, because these are primarily the one teeth that everyone's interested in and want them to look nice. But again, as I always say, your molars are just as important as your front teeth, not only for looks but for functionality as well. So when you go to a dentist and you get a smile evaluation is really much less to do with I have a cavity, I need a root canal, things like that. It has to do more with the look, the things that you are not satisfied with, or the things that you want maybe better. It can be from whitening to getting maybe crowns or a bridge on the front, or even getting veneers. And more than anything, it has to do with veneers. So what the dentist does when you ask for a smile evaluation is that he looks at your smile. Obviously, he asks you the questions, and if you have any information that you have done, then you should definitely tell your dentist, and he could definitely help you out and explain to you why you should or why you shouldn't, or what better options there are in terms of what you have found out thus far. Because for every treatment that there is, not everybody qualifies for them, but there are alternative solutions that you can be just as happy as of the ones that you found out for yourself. So I get different opinions and I get different beliefs from people. So that I have people that are super serious with their teeth, and they want their teeth to be the whitest possible. They also want them to look like dentures, like every model that exists, that have perfect teeth that unfortunately most people don't have, including me, so these are things that people are interested in when it comes to aligning their teeth, and even tooth size. There are people that believe that their teeth might feel too small to them, and there are people that believe that their teeth feel too big to them. So some people might want to get it smaller, other people might want to get it bigger, and there is a solution for every one of those things. There are also people that might have had a tooth that just came out wrong, or there might be a tooth that might be missing that they never had, or never erupted. And I've had situations like that, and we have solutions for all those people, and all of those things have to do primarily with smile evaluations, because and not with exams, because again, it's not so much focused on the health of your mouth, but more on the look of your mouth. So again, if this is something that you're interested in, you should definitely ask your doctor, your dentist, when you go see them, that you want to get a smile evaluation and find out what your options are to getting cosmetic work done. So that's it for today. As always, flourish and prosper.